2007 379 Peterbilt. Heavy front springs. Cat, ACERT, NXS, 6 1/4 horsepower. Dual stacks, dual aluminum fuel tanks. Headache rack. 2-line wet kit built into the rack. Full slide 5th wheel. 20K fixed liftable axle. Neway 46,000 pound rear suspension, air ride, virgin rubber, trailer skid, heavy rear torque bars, heavy drive lines, all aluminum wheels, dual fuel tank straps, four-speed auxiliary box, double bunk sleeper with refrigerator, 554,000 miles. Truck does have double locking rears, 18-speed transmission, legacy, driver's seat. Call Kyle at 308-631-9293. Thank you.